Portable water pump. Pump that can be easily moved from one place to another while connected to the supply. Sheath. Extruded protective covering applied to a cable. Sauna. Enclosure in which heat is generated for therapeutic or recreational purposes and that is designed to accommodate one or more persons. Protective device. Unit that comprises one or more fuses or circuit breakers. Touch voltage rule. Voltage which, during an insulation fault, appears between simultaneously accessible parts. Electrical consultant. Person who is registered in terms of the engineering profession. Flammable. Descriptive of a material that, when heated for 5 minutes in an oven at 300 degrees Celsius in the manner set out in an appropriate standard such as, is capable of burning or of giving off vapors in sufficient quantity to ignite at a pilot flame. Short circuit protective device SCPD. Device intended to protect a circuit or parts of a circuit against short circuit currents by interrupting the current. Protective separation. Separation between circuits by means of basic and supplementary protection, basic insulation plus supplementary insulation or protective screening or by provision of equivalent protection. The Act means the Machinery and Occupational Safety Act, 1983, Act No. 6 of 1983 and a word of expression to which a meaning has been assigned in the Act shall have the meaning so assigned and, unless the context otherwise indicates. Class I appliance. Appliance that has at least basic insulation throughout, and that is provided with an earthing terminal or earthing contact and is designed in the case of single phase for connection by means of a 3-core flexible card, or more, layer of wires applied to a cable to provide mechanical protection or earth continuity, or both. Earth leakage protection. Form of protection in which an earth leakage unit is used. Flexible conduit. Tubing that is intended to house and to protect electric wiring and that is so designed that it is flexible. Earth electrode. One or more conductive parts that are embedded in the earth for the purpose of making effective electrical contact with the general mass of the earth. Protective equipotential bonding. Equipotential bonding for purposes of safety. Discharge lamp. Lamp in which light or radiant energy at a wavelength near that of the visible spectrum is produced by the passage of an electric current through a vapor or gas. Certificate of compliance COC. Certificate that is issued by a registered person in respect of an electrical installation or part of an electrical installation. Equipotential bonding. Provision of electric connections between conductive parts intended to achieve substantially equal potential. Equipotential bonding. Provision of electric connections between conductive parts intended to achieve substantially equal potential. Conductor. Material that is capable of conducting electric current. Class II appliance. Appliance that has double insulation or reinforced insulation, or both throughout, and that is without provision for earthing. Electrical installation. Machinery, in or on any premises, that is used for the transmission of electrical energy from a point of control to a point of consumption anywhere on the premises, including any article that forms part of such an installation, irrespective of whether or not it is part of the electrical circuit, but excluding any machinery of the supplier that is related to the supply of electricity on the premises. B. Any machinery that is used for the transmission of electricity of which the voltage does not exceed 50 V, where such electricity is not derived from the main supply of a supplier, and C. Any machinery that transmits electrical energy in telecommunication, television or radio circuits. Circuit. Arrangement of conductors for the purpose of carrying electric current. Functional bonding conductor. Conductor provided for functional equipotential bonding. Consumer. Person who is supplied or who is to be supplied with electricity by a supplier, or a person who supplies his own electricity. Live or alive means electrically charged. Aerial conductor. Conductor that is supported above the ground, and that is or its insulation is exposed direct to the open air. Electrical equipment. Item or any combination of items, including wires, which is used for the generation, conversion such as of voltage or frequency, transmission or distribution of electrical energy.